What's up, everybody? It's to be announced, and today we are going to be patrolling in this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Right here, and it's for the campaign taxi package, as you can see. I rarely see any of these nowadays, especially in Berkeley County, so today we are going to be patrolling in one. And you're probably wondering why I'm having this sling on. Well, it's because, ladies and gentlemen, I have the post certification now, and I am very excited for future of myself, as I've also applied for the Scene Command and Aviation Pilot. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So today we are going to be just doing a few speed traps, and we're also going to be responding to calls. And those are our two missions for this whole entire 24-hour patrol video. So we're going to be responding to this jewelry alarm, and hopefully we can redeem ourselves from there. Oh, pit! That was close. I almost crashed into them. Alright, we're on scene. Looks like CVPI is here. That alarm is something else, man. Whoever provided the MP3s or the WAP files for those alarm sound effects, they're diabolical, bro. Like, who came up with this stuff? It's not that serious, man. Alright. And we're good to go. Oh. Okay. What the hell? We're gonna pretend that never happened, and we're gonna respond to this panic alarm like that never happened. That never happened. Alright, we're here. And it looks like CVPI is also on scene. Or not. Well, they just left, so. Looks like EMS is here, and I'm gonna arrest this guy. And BCE and healthcare is here too. They're competitive, to be honest. Okay. And we're just gonna arrest him from here. This will be our first arrest with the post certification. Okay. Let's get back onto patrol and let's set up a speed trap. Okay. Suspect down. What the f- Anyway, we're gonna pretend that never happened. Sounds good. Okay, buddy. That does not give you the right to shoot at a civilian. That's crazy. Or maybe it was CID. Yeah, it was CID. you attempted murder of a CID agent. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna take him in for attempted murder of a LEO, which is a felony. Of a warning? No. See him. Alright, we're done here. And that just cost us our lights. Wonderful. Fantastic. Our end goal here is to get at least someone going 10 over the speed limit. That's all I'm asking for at this current time. Because, oh my god, the speeders I catch here are insane. And it's already turning dark. Shots fired! Oh, it's right over there at the other side of the roundabout. I'm not dealing with that. Looks like it's already dealt with anyway, so... Is there a pursuit going on? Oh, panic button. We didn't get anyone today, but that's okay. As long as we get some action, I'm okay with it. And that's an undercover taxi. Fantastic. Fabulous. Okay. Officer died anyway, so we're gonna respond to the other panic. Oh shit! That was a close one. Looks like it's happening at the farm, and shots are being fired. Looks like it's all good here. As always, we're very late to panic buttons. For some reason. That's our profession as SHPD. For some reason. Alright, so this time we're actually going to run the proper speed trap. This city is serious right now. Anyway. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. You gotta be kidding me. What the f— You gotta be kidding me. What the f— Anyway, we're just gonna pull this guy over. Hopefully the radio communication isn't. Why is he pulling into the fire station? Okay, that makes sense. Sorry for jumping into conclusions like that. Get back in the car. This is what happened last video. This is what happened last video. Somebody got out of the car and shot at me. Okay, he's probably a tourist. How did you pass the eye test? If you cannot see a red light, it's red. How can you not see that? Okay. I'm asking him again. I will ask him more harshly if he doesn't. Okay, looks like this guy is also a slow typer, so... I started out that way, so I completely understand. But if he's intentionally not responding to me, then I don't know what to do, man. Because I'm not an agent, I don't have scene command, so there's nothing I can do about this. And he doesn't even... Rather... Is he new to the game or something? I'm tired of this crap, man. The last guy, he didn't even know how to get in his car, but that was probably just a troll response, so... Do you even know what roleplay is? Yeah. in the game, of course, if that's what you're saying. Because you need to have common sense in order to drive. So. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the panic. I do not get paid enough to deal with people like that. Like, that is... Oh, okay. We got Arkansas State Trooper here. I don't know why he was blocking my way like that. But who knows? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna cancel it. Never mind. We're responding anyway. And it's lagging so much. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? I'm gonna replay that. Let's re-roll that. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? Alright, so it's in downtown Spring Hill, I think. Somewhere near that. It didn't say, but it's obviously near Spring Hill, so. There we go. Yep, I knew it. Okay, it is a huge scene over here. There's a lot of officers down. Okay. Yep. Oh, it's Pit over here. Beautiful. Alright. And he's gone. Okay. Alright. So now we're gonna have to return. Because... I still want to do a proper speed trap and get at least 1 or 2 proper traffic stops regarding speed, so... First, we're gonna fill out gas. That's what we should be doing before we conduct this speed trap. Number 1 thing we should be doing. Fun. Alright. Thank you for letting me take your spot. Why did I just get damaged? I do not understand. But I'm gonna pretend that, like, that never happened. Why? Why? All I want to do is perform a speed trap. Why is there always, every second of the day, there's a panic button pressed, at least, in a public server? Why? Just why? I don't understand. Okay, what the you know what? I'm done. I'm not gonna do the speed trap today. I'm gonna do that in the next video. I promise you guys. But this is unacceptable. I can't with this crap. Looks like there's already pursuit ongoing, but I'm not joining that. Alright, looks like it's in the substation. Yep, shots fired. Shots fired. Alright, what are we shooting at? Okay. Looks like everything is good here. Go to the police station and end the video there. You know what? Let's just do one more call. Let's just do one more call. Oh my god. Of course. Alright. So, clearly, this is peak action right over here. Why am I spinning out? Okay. Suspect down. Suspect down. Alright. And he LTA'd again. Okay, yep. He's got it now. Alright, everybody. That was pretty interesting, to say the least. It was at least satisfactory. It was at least a satisfactory experience, in my opinion. So, we're gonna end this patrol here, and next video, I promise there will be a speed trap. A proper speed trap in another different server. Not a popular server. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!